Hello, welcome back. So this video is just gonna be a mini haul slash unbox some of the things that I myself bought on the past vlog, or my first vlog actually. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what I got, and I promise you it'll be really quick because I didn't get that many things, but I still wanted to show you guys. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to show is the smallest thing that I got from everything that I got, and that is a shaving oil. So this one is by Tea Tree. No, sorry. So this one is by Tree Hut, and it's called the Bare Moisturizing Shave Oil. It says that it soothes the skin and helps protect against cuts. It's basically an oil that you can use during the shower, to shave to shave wherever you want, I guess. But I use this to shave, especially in my legs, because they do get easily irritated when I shave. So this is a must-have. This is probably already my 6th bottle. I just find that it really works well. I've tried many shaving creams and shaving oils. Like I said, my skin is very sensitive overall, and especially when I shave, it's just it gets irritated easily, and I find that this is the only product that helps with that. My legs don't feel itchy at all or irritated after I shave, and yeah, everything goes so smooth when I use that oil. So that's the first thing that I got. I got this at Ulta. It was only, I believe, $11, $11.99, maybe 12 bucks. So it was relatively cheap, and I can't live without it. Okay, the next thing that I also got from Ulta, it's gonna be, so I got this dual lash because, like I said, I hate applying eyelashes, but I'm gonna venture out this time. I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it works out well for me. This one is so it's a dark tone. It says right there in the back, it's a dark tone glue. I just figured that it would blend easier with the eyelash instead of getting the traditional white one. So I'm just gonna open it. So here it is. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this brand. It's pretty much the best glue that there is, and correct me if I'm wrong. If you know of a better brand that's good for gluing your eyelashes, then please let me know. But this is the only one that I've heard of that actually does work, and I believe it's not that hard to take off. So the next thing that I got is my Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. So obviously if I'm gonna buy an eyelash glue, is because I have eyelashes, and now I do have a lot, but unfortunately I left them all back in Laredo, Texas. Like I said, I'm in Houston now, so I have no eyelashes. So this is the first one that I got here in Houston, and they're just the Ardell Wispies Studio Effects. The Demi Wispy lashes by Ardell. This is pretty raved about by other YouTubers, bigger YouTubers, so I figured I'd try these and hopefully they look well on my eyes. The next thing that I got was two more things. And by the way, all the products that I've shown so far, they're all from Ulta. So if you want to buy them, you can buy them there. So if you want to try it out, check it out. Ulta is the place to go. Now the next thing that I got was a hair straightener, and I've always wanted this for the longest time because mine broke seriously many years ago, and I haven't bought any. As you can see, my hair is just, this is my natural hair, so it's drying right now. It's still a little damp from the shower, but for all these years I pretty much just let my hair air dry, and I would comb it maybe once or twice and that's it, go about my way. But I want to start taking more care of my hair and looking a little more put together by maybe straightening it at the very least. So here's a straightener. This one is the Babyliss Pro. Let me see which way. So this one is the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium, and it's the ultra thin one. I got this at Ulta as well. I believe it was around $100 and some. But I used my 20% off, and then I had $50 worth of points, so I used them all for this straightener. And I went to the Ulta when I was looking for a straightener. I went to the Ulta website, searched under, you know, hair tools, flat irons, and I filtered that by bestsellers, and this one was one of the top ones that had the most reviews. Now there were very mixed reviews, but the very good reviews were really good. So I'm gonna try it out and hopefully it works. I'm trying to take it out of the packaging, but it's just so much. Hopefully it works out for me. My husband also helped sell this product to me because he read somewhere. Oh, okay, so right here. He read this part that says European, I don't know if you can see it there on the camera, but it says European product. European professional products. And he pretty much said that Europeans are the leaders in, I don't know, automobile sales, and everything that comes from Europe is superior and I don't know what. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll try it. He pretty much said that this is the Ferrari of hair straighteners, like if he knows, right? Like if he knows, but you know, cute. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like. And it's an ultra thin, but I feel like it could get a pretty good amount of hair. So it covers this much. Sorry, I don't know if you can see, everything's so black. So it covers a good amount of hair. It's a pretty good width. You can see it. So it's a pretty good width. I'm gonna try it out and I'll keep you updated to see if I like it. And if it turns out really bad, then I'm gonna let you know as well that it was really bad. But that's that. Bakeless Pro Titanium, Nano Titanium. Okay. And the next thing that I got is another one that I've been waiting for a long time. And it's another hair product and I'm trying to take it out of the packaging. So bear with me. Now this one, however, I did not get at Ulta. I got at Marshall's, and it is, so it's a fully loaded, it's like a gift. Ooh, there I am. So it's like a gift set pretty much. It's like a gift set pretty much. And it comes with the blow dryer. It comes with 2 clips, a brush, and 6 of Dry Bar's hair products that I'm so excited to try. 2 of them I already own and that I know work well for my hair. Okay, manuals and instructions. So it comes with a brush. It's a little brush, and it comes with 2 hair clips like this. And pretty much Dry Bar's hair products and the hair dryer. So here's the blow dryer. So it's yellow, it's super lightweight, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to buy it from Dry Bar. It's a really lightweight hair dryer. I feel like it's not going to get really tiring just because I have a lot of hair. So my arm is going to be up quite a while. And so yeah, it really helps that it's not heavy, it doesn't weigh that much. And it comes with some hair products. There's this clarifying charcoal shampoo. I'm not sure how good that's going to turn out, but you know, it's like a deluxe sample of their hair products. This one's called On the Rocks, and it's a shampoo, like I said. Then we also have a prep rally. It's a prime and prep detangler. I'm so excited to try this one because my hair does get tangled quite often. I have a lot of it and it's very thick. So I'm excited to try this by Dry Bar. It looks really good. I don't know, haven't heard anything about it. It also comes with a lightweight replenishing conditioner, also called On the Rocks. And it's this one right here. And it comes with 3 of these. So this one is the 3-in-1 finishing spray. This is nothing more, but it's this size, so it's a little one. I feel like it's gonna last you a good while, however, and it's a good size for you to try out the product and see if you like it and you're interested in purchasing the bigger or fuller version. So there's that. It comes with a dry shampoo, and it comes with another brightening type thing, I guess serum for the hair, another spray. A detox dry shampoo, so it's this one. Again, I also own these 2. I own the ones that I just showed you, the finishing setting spray 3-in-1 and the dry shampoo. I own both of these, and they're really good products for your hair if you want to try them out. I recommend. I also bought them this size just so I could try it and it was a while back, so I'm glad I have these two again. They do last me a while, but then again, I don't do my hair often, so just keep that in mind. The last thing that it comes with is, okay, so I can't take it out of the packaging, and I'm just going to show you with it. It has like some sticky thing. It's really hard to take off. So it's this. That's the third product that it comes with, and it says that it is a shine mist, so it's just to make your hair shiny. And it comes with these two. It comes with these two pieces for the hair dryer, just in case you want, you know, like a blowout or something like that. Is that what it's called? Blowout? I think so. Again, I'm not an expert in hair, nor do I claim to be one. I know nothing about hair. So it comes with those two and your manual. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's it. That's all I got to show you for this little mini haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a quick video. Hopefully it was a quick video. I still need to edit it. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Adios. Bye.